Can you live to the end of this short film? See the beauty of this blue planet. He is not a newly discovered planet. This is the sun that brings us warmth. Why did he become like this? Because this is the sun in a million years. A hot and deadly white dwarf. Let's travel through time, from now on to the end of the universe. The Earth's magnetic field reversed in 2,700 years. Lethal radiation illuminates the Earth. Communication flight completely disabled. 3,300 years. Comet Hale-Bopp returns 5,000 years. Sea level rises sharply. All coastal cities will be sunk. In 6,900 years, the asteroid will hit the Earth again, and in billions of years, the main star of Scorpio will explode with a superstar. 14,000 years ago, the Sahara Desert became a tropical rainforest. 22,000 years of significant changes in constellation positions. A 39,000-year-old Voyager 1 reached the nearest star in the solar system. 61,000 year. Built weapon ends 90,000 year supervolcano eruption. The world was caught in a sea of fire. 300,000, the birth of a new Hawaiian island. New island chains are formed again. 950,000 astronaut footprints on the moon. Disappeared. 1.60 million Orion main star supernova explosion. 2.50 million. The stone on Earth began to weathering. 8.50 million deadly gamma ray explosions. 72 million years of unbroken fire. The rings that formed Mars are 26 million years old. Saturn's rings are gone. 42 million years. South Pole is gone. Penguins lose their homes. 70 million years. Giant asteroid hits Earth. Again, 150 million years. Forming new continents. 400 million sun increases brightness. Running out of fuel. The core starts to collapse. Photosynthesis termination. But he won't disappear. 800 million. All the plants and animals die. 1 billion. The oceans evaporate. Disappeared. 2.80 billion years of extinction. Earth was lifeless. 3.50 billion. The sun began to expand. Become a red giant. 7.50 billion. The Earth is swallowed by the sun. 10 billion. The sun becomes a white dwarf. His wreckage will slowly cool too. Yang announces that the universe will gradually cool over 140 billion years, fall into eternal night. 1 trillion. All the stars went out one by one. Destiny burns out like the sun. No more stars will be born. The end of the universe is not the Big Bang. It was a black leaf. 150 trillion with the death of the last star. The stars will never appear again. The vast universe will become the graves of stars. The remains of dead stars are scattered everywhere. 1 million trillion years due to lack of fuel. The white dwarf will gradually dim. The faint glow will be the only point of light in the universe. If you're lucky, some Hershey dwarfs may collide to create new stars, or neutron stars colliding will emit a little light in the dark universe, but eventually they will all go out, become a black dwarf. This will also be the final stage of a star's life. 5 trillion years. All the remaining matter in the galaxy will be swallowed by the black hole. Only the last gray light is left around. These energy belts will also be the last source of energy known in the future. 12 billion trillion years, the universe will be expanding faster and faster, even faster than the speed of light. Stars will also be speeding faster than light by then, so that the light they emit can no longer be captured. The secrets of the universe will never be solved. In a billion years, atoms will decay, cause the destruction of all matter in the universe. 1 trillion years from now. Only photons and black holes remain of the once brilliant universe. The universe has no more planets and stars. We'll enter the black hole season in full swing. Black holes will also be the protagonists of the universe. Zombie galaxies made of black holes continue to evolve. They eat and merge. It's getting bigger and bigger. A massive black hole is several trillion times the mass of the sun. Mergers create attractive force waves that can penetrate the entire universe. Space-time is also repeatedly compressed and stretched until it finally synthesizes a quietly spinning black hole. In 100 billion years, there are only black holes and particles in the universe, near the black hole. Two particles are orbiting each other. One of them fell into the black hole. Black holes release particles as radiation, but black holes don't last forever. They also evaporate until the explosion finally disappeared. They will light up the dark universe one by one before disappearing like fireworks. While the black hole disappears, dark energy will continue to drive the expansion of the universe. His numbers are huge, 3/4 of the total matter in the universe. If dark energy has always existed, the universe will become even colder, dark and empty, until countless trillions of years later, the universe may also die, become cold. Or the end of the universe could be the beginning of another universe. Physicists believe that the universe is diverse. Each one has a different pattern. They think we can escape from the universe. After scientific calculation, if there is a particle accelerator and can pool a huge amount of energy at one point, maybe create a universe like building a raw ship, and those universes could also evolve. They reproduce. If this path doesn't work, then the damage to the universe will keep growing until the last black hole disappears. After an unimaginable time, there will be only photons left in the universe. As the universe continues to expand, the photons